Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the research question and measurable objectives, because clarity saves hours later. Once done, collect 20 to 50 pivotal papers and any datasets. Make a consistent folder and naming system so you don't hunt files. Then draft one core prompt and 3 targeted follow-ups that ask for structure, literature gaps, and methodology. Include your required citation format. Make sure to record versions. Save prompts and outputs with timestamps so you can reproduce or refine steps quickly when needed. Next, have the AI produce a detailed outline and a methods section. Then ask for a 1,000 to 2,000 word draft chunk. This jumpstarts writing instead of blank page paralysis. Once done, iterate. Refine prompts to fix tone or depth, run comparisons across versions, and merge your original notes with AI prose so the argument stays yours. Make sure to validate methods and data citations against source material. Use placeholders for citations, and verify every factual claim to prevent hallucinations. In the final phase, edit the draft for consistent voice and remove any AI artifacts so your contribution reads as one author. Then verify every fact and statistic against primary sources. Run a plagiarism scan and double-check statistical analyses or code outputs to ensure reproducibility. Once satisfied, finalize citation formatting, export PDF and docx, and save the raw prompts and version history. If something breaks, retrace prompt iterations and rerun targeted checks on that section to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.